On October 22, 2023, the Central Puja Committee (CPC) organized the late S.K. Agarwal Memorial Drumbeat Competition at the Rilbong Durga Puja Pandal. Notable attendees included Naba Bhattacharjee, the President of the Central Puja Committee, the General Secretary of the CPC, Jayanta, the Chairman of the Drumbeat Competition, Anjan, Bisharad, President of the Rilbong Durga Puja Committee, Padmashree, Manash, Chaudhary, Kalyan, the Vice Chairman, Pankaj, the Convenor, Jayanta, Finance Secretary, and others. 8 puja committees participated, vying for rewards such as prize money, medals for group and individual competition, and the prestigious late S.K. Agarwal Memorial Running Trophy, generously contributed by Ajay Agarwal in memory of his late father, late Shiv Agarwal. In the individual category, Rilbong Durga Puja Committee (CPC) secured the first prize, followed by RR Colony (DPC) in the second place, Kenchestrays DPC in third position, and the Survey of India DPC in the fourth place. The Office of Audit and Accounts Motinagar DPC received the special prize, while Pragati Sangha DPC, Barapathar Ganesh Mandir DPC, and Darjian Line DPC were awarded the consolation prize. In the group category, Rilbong DPC clinched the first prize, with RR Colony DPC securing the second prize and Kenchestrays DPC coming in third position.
Vehicle number ML05R 875.